It snowed last night.
It's a celebration.
Goodness, they put salt so it made the smell so rushing.
It's a little chilly in Texas.
You like never get snow. This is like a rare sight to see.
I think it's more of sleet than anything. It's like little pieces of ice just falling down. Today's a nice chilly day. The classes actually got canceled, but professors have the option to go remote today. And fortunately, my classes are all canceled, and I do not have remote classes. But it's a little chilly. Look at all the slush on the ground.
And I don't know how you could hate on a player, ever hate on me. I'm kinda dope, a little ADD, but I've been making hella banging since age 17. My ex-girl used to say that she was steady dating this rapper, like that's all I'll be. So fuck that, think I'm gonna sing. So when she hears this song, she'll be like, who is he? Who is this? For real, who is this?
Alright, so right now I'm about to go to Des door, and I think we're gonna go on a walk because the weather's so beautiful, and it's white outside with snow on the ground, so we're gonna go enjoy it really quick before she has to go back and get some studying and homework back in.
Oh my goodness, it's so cold.
The doors.
It's blowing snow.
How are you just wearing that? How are you not cold?
I'm wearing sweaters.
How are you not
All my
cold?
clothes, and this is the warmest thing I've worn.
Oh my god, my face was like freezing up, and I felt like my facial expressions were lagging. Oh my god.
Can we go inside now? My ears are hurting.
The good thing about face masks is that they could. This side.
Make sure you don't get locked out in the tub.
Hold on to the railing.
You know, I almost cracked my head open on this thing.
Okay. I'm going back to the cove to get some food. I get a little snack.
You know, I put the mask on because I was cold.
And then just to get a little snack.
A snack. Oh, you're gonna get snacks too?
Yeah.
Let me get some snacks as well.
I can get a little
Since we're
snack.
hibernating for a while.
People that aren't Texans and that live like up north, they probably think that we're like.
Yeah, but we're not equipped for the
Yeah,
winter.
we're not equipped.
People Weather's hurting. Recording? Recording.
To the vid.
For the vid. No vid.
She did so good in the video though.
That's so
That's not true.
Okay, I get it. I'm pretty great. You know it's living from a timid.
Oh. All the snow is going away.
Aww. Is it gonna snow again?
All this salt though. It's blue.
Look at the berries frozen. look at this.
We're all frozen onto it.
Like you just click it. Here, let me see if I can click something. Oh, whoop. Like watch this. Let me click something.
So what are you gonna do?
So I'm going to work on Scope, which you guys should sign up for the summertime and apply for. You end up coming to Southwestern. Southwestern is known for having tons of research opportunities. So, and it's very beneficial for graduate programs, doctoral programs, and then of course if you're pre-med, med school, that help you look more competitive for those application processes. So definitely do that. I'm going to read my textbook and study for neuroscience.
I gotta get some reading in myself. So.
Also, if you're an out-of-state student, don't hate. Texans, we are not equipped.
Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I get it. I'm pretty great, and you is living. From a timid boy to hit, making minutes, baby, I'll be on my own, turning everything to gold. I ain't never afraid to touch it, and I'll send it back home. I've been working on
Alright, so I just finished up some homework. I did some economics and politics readings I had to do. I did some business homework for studying up. And I also just finished up some Spanish homework. And I think I've been pretty productive today, so I'm happy about that. I may see if some of my friends want to hang out for a little bit, maybe play some more games or watch a movie. But last time it snowed here in Georgetown was last year, and I was able to probably got like 6 or 7 inches of snow, which is huge for Texas because we don't really get much. So seeing all the snowfall or sleet is definitely a nice surprise, especially on a Thursday morning. Oh, and I also didn't get dinner. I haven't gotten any of that yet. So just in case I finish up here, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please like the video and subscribe, and yeah, just leave a comment below letting me know that you dropped by, and I'll see you next time.
And I don't know how you could hate on a player, ever hate on me. I'm kinda dope, a little ADD, but I've been making hella banging since age 17.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I was just thinking that I said it.